Coco! Very good, Coco! Dino! Napakataba nitong aso. Napakalikot, oh. Ang likot, ang taba. Bago naming aso nyo, dog in the house, named Coco. Dino! Coco! Coco! Welcome home, Coco! O, yan, si Dino. Friend kayo ni Dino, ha? Coco! 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 So, our new alagain, a new pet. Coco is the name. Coco. Clumsy. Very clumsy to si Coco.